morning, Paige here with m.a.b.e.l, and the video you're about to see is from our Japan craft trips to the Asakusa shrine in Tokyo. We went to get Omikuji, which are fortunes. You pick up your fortune at shrines or temples, and typically you get one. However, on our trip, we sort of picked up a fortune at every temple we went to. So that could be a good thing because you could improve your chances of good luck. So here we are at Sensoji Temple. We came early in the morning. We're in Asakusa, which was 3 subway stops from our hotel. We're here early in the morning because it does get super crowded as the day goes on. And it's nice to get the full effect of the temple with fewer people in it. So we're going to walk on through now. We were here pretty early in the morning. It was our first morning, so of course jet lag, and you can see how it's starting to fill up. It was a really great little inn. After the shopping district, there's a second gate. You'll notice throughout Japan that there will be lots of names or writing on the back of the lanterns. Those represent the sponsors who contribute to the upkeep of the temple or shrine. Here are the mikuji. There you pay 100 yen and you draw your fortune, and then you tie your fortune after you've read it onto these racks.